Rewind to the 23rd of March 2023. Russia, in a display of military might, unleashes a series of deadly strikes across various Ukrainian towns, cities, and residential areas. The artillery, Iranian-made drones and missiles. The result, devastating casualties and extensive damage. Ukrainian President Zelensky, in a fit of rage, condemns these attacks as bestial savagery, vowing a swift response. Fast forward a bit to the current year 2024. The Russian presidential elections are looming, and Putin is expected to return for another term. Amidst this political turbulence, Ukraine launches a counterattack. The target? Russian oil refineries. The weapon of choice? Drones. The aim? To cripple Russia's economic potential and disrupt its military operations. The fallout of these attacks is significant. Russia reports interceptions of the drones, damage to their facilities, and casualties in their border regions. The battlefield dynamics are rapidly changing and the information warfare is intensifying. Putin, in a classic deflection, attributes the Ukrainian actions to battlefield setbacks. So, what are the key takeaways from these drone attacks? First, they highlight the growing role of technology in modern warfare. Drones, once a tool for surveillance, are now becoming the weapon of choice for nations embroiled in conflict. Second, they underscore the desperation and determination of Ukraine in its fight against Russian aggression. Lastly, they illustrate how the Russia-Ukraine conflict is not just a battle for territory, but a battle for economic survival. In conclusion, the drone attacks are a game changer in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. They're reshaping the battlefield, altering the balance of power and forcing both sides to rethink their strategies. The implications are far-reaching, and the world watches on, waiting for the next move in this high-stakes game of chess.